RedPoint Interaction is a closed-loop multi-channel campaign management solution that combines the functionality and capability of 3 or 4 industry point offerings into a single marketing solution. It brings together traditional data-driven marketing with its strong capabilities in segmentation, targeting, and multi-level, multi-channel campaign management, together with digital marketing across email, SMS, web, and social channels, and mixing in real-time or inbound interaction, being able to push content or offers to customers at real time. The following videos will concentrate on these key areas. Firstly, customer segmentation and targeting, and the ability to query and analyze the data before using it in a campaign. Secondly, cross-channel content design and delivery. And finally, how to build a simple or complex multi-level, multi-channel end-to-end campaign. So firstly, we will be looking at customer segmentation. RedPoint Interaction allows users to design customer groupings or customer segments in any number of ways, whether through selection rules or from a visualization perspective via charts, crosstabs, pivot tables, or Venn diagrams. So firstly, let's take a look at a selection rule. So in this case, we'll be able to query customer data by firstly going into and grabbing where gender equals female and where marital status is single. We can combine this query with segments that have been previously built. For example, we're also looking for age group 36 to 45, those customers who are active and who already have a home loan with us. We can do a single count, which tells us how many unique customers have met this particular criteria, in this case 129, or we can do a waterfall count, which tells us exactly how we got to this number. So we can see the starting point was 4,759 and we've gotten to 129. Now at this point in time, this can be saved as a reusable customer grouping, customer segment selection rule, or we can do further analysis. We can generate a very detailed waterfall report and distribute that, or we can export all the data into Word, Excel for further analysis or segmentation. Another way to visualize and build customer segments is through a Venn diagram. What we'd like to do at this point in time is have a look at the relationships between 3 customer groupings. So in this case, the first customer grouping is our high value customers. The second one is our profitable age group, 36 to 45. And finally, those people who do not have a credit card. I'd like to understand to see if I can provide different offerings to different customer groups. So in this case, we can see exactly the relationships between those 3 customer groups. So from one perspective, I would like those who are high value, age 36 to 45, and do not have a credit card. So it's a matter of just dragging it out, and now we can use it as a segment or a customer group in our campaign. But at the same time, I'd like those people who are not high value, who are in other age groups, but also do not have a credit card. So that's how I drag it out. So this shows you how easy it is to be able to query, visualize, analyze customer data. Alternatively, we can also build a segmentation model or a targeting model, which can be used in a single campaign, multiple campaigns, or it can be used as part of a planning exercise. So in this case, we can see that we've got a number of nodes that are built up using our predefined customer segments. Again, the whole idea is to find those customers who are who we can offer credit card to. So if we look at the flow here, we've started out with new customers. We've applied 3 different suppressions, and again we can see what impact the suppressions have had. So we can see that no direct mail, no outbound, and pull out those who've had too many communications has had. Out of those, we're looking at active customers who do not have a credit card, who are females, and specifically have outgoings of less than $2,000 a month. Then we've been able to break that up into current product holders. So we've got those who have a home loan, those who have a personal loan, those who have a term deposit. Out of those who have a home loan, we can only afford to go to 500 of those, so we've chosen the top 500, and finally we've been able to split that top 500 three ways, so we can actually test to see which offers have the best impact. So we've split it by 45, 45 and 10, and we can see the numbers that have been provided for us. Okay. So finally, in this scenario, we have 5 cells that we can use for our campaign.